Can you figure out this Punnett square practice problem? A yellow pea plant that's heterozygous is crossed with another yellow pea plant that's also heterozygous. In these pea plants, yellow is dominant to green. You'll also need to calculate the ratios of each of the genotypes and phenotypes using your Punnett square. So first of all, we have to make our Punnett square. We're going to place the parents on the top and on the side here. You place each of the alleles of the parents above and to the sides of these squares, and then you're going to fill in each one of these boxes. So your Punnett square should look like this. Remember that you always place the capital letter first in a heterozygous genotype. So now let's look at the ratios of these genotypes. How many of the offspring have a homozygous dominant, heterozygous, and homozygous recessive genotype? There's going to be 1 out of 4 homozygous dominant, 2 out of 4 heterozygous, and 1 out of 4 homozygous recessive genotype, which means the percent of offspring that are homozygous dominant is going to be 25%, heterozygous is going to be 50%, and homozygous recessive is going to be 25%. Now we have to look at the phenotypes of the offspring. Remember that the heterozygous and homozygous dominant will show the dominant phenotype, while only the homozygous recessive will show the recessive phenotype. From our Punnett square, we can see that 3 out of the 4 are going to be yellow and 1 out of the 4 is going to be green, which means 75% of the offspring will be yellow while only 25% will be green.